Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate webinar hosting with Zoom. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your Zoom account and log in. Navigate to the My Accounts section in the top right corner. On the left-hand menu, select Webinars. Click on the Schedule a Webinar button. Fill out the necessary details, including the topic, description, date, and time. Set the duration of your webinar based on your content. In the registration section, enable registration if you want attendees to sign up. Customize the registration settings according to your preferences. Scroll down to the Webinar Options section. Here, you can choose to automatically record the webinar. Select whether you want to enable practice sessions. Adjust other settings like allowing participants to join before the host. Once all details are configured, click the Save button. Now, navigate to the email settings under the webinar settings. Configure automatic email reminders for your participants. Set reminders for the date of the webinar, as well as 1 day and 1 hour before the event. After setting the email notifications, save your changes. Now, head over to the Integrations section if you want to connect Zoom with third-party applications. Set up any integrations that will help automate your workflow, like email marketing tools. Once everything is configured, you can share the registration link provided by Zoom. Before the webinar, test your setup and ensure that everything is functioning correctly. On the day of the webinar, log in early to manage any last-minute issues. When it's time, start the webinar and engage with your audience. After the session, Zoom will automatically handle the follow-up emails to your participants based on your initial settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.